All right. Welcome to a TikTok edition of Sabbath Lounge.
With Matt and Jake.
That's right. We're going to talk about Toldot generations, Genesis 25:19 through 28:9.
8-9. This is week 6.
And you've got this story of the hill grabber.
Jacob and Esau.
So, and you've got this concept of the birthright blessing. And so, Jake, with birthright blessing, what does that mean to you?
So there's based on your order of birth, there's blessings that go to you. The first one usually has all the responsibility kind of blessings, all the monies and stuff to deal with the family as he becomes the head of the household after the father dies, that kind of thing.
And generally it was given to the firstborn, but there are many instances in the Torah where the firstborn didn't get this birthright blessing. And so part of the reason why is this. What's the difference between Jacob and Esau? How do you think you can generally classify these two guys?
Jacob is about his father's business, and Esau is about his business. He's interested in himself and in the world.
That's right. And so for sure, we need to be more like Jacob and not like Esau. I think the world, in a lot of ways, lifts up the Esau's of the world and puts them on a pedestal and like the alpha male kind of thing. Take your own, you do this, do whatever, take the world by the horns. And we see a little bit different model in Jacob.
Right.
So this is just a quick overview of this Torah passage. If you aren't familiar with it and you haven't read it in a while, it's time to read it.
Yep. And
we have a series of Torah portions that we've been doing. We just encourage you to go check out the
full
list.
version.
That's right. I think we've done up to week 16. Is that what we came to?
So far.
So we'll be expanding this throughout the year. But we appreciate you stopping by and Google Sabbath Lounge for more content. This is Matt.
And Jake.
Signing off.